Alright, well, if you guys are seeing this clip, this means we're back home. And, so far my brother ain't in this room, so therefore, I will say one thing. You'll hear it one time on video, John. One time. One time only. This is actually going to be the intro of the video. Somewhat. Because I really didn't get to say what I wanted to say. But I will miss your ass. I like minute on camera. I'll miss you. Happy bitch. I know you probably are all going to be watching this video because of the whole bowling and shit. Or if not, then you don't hear what I'm going to say, because I know I don't say it to you, but yeah, I will definitely miss your ass. So, don't be thinking otherwise, even though you don't think that. I'm the one that says that, so yeah. I'll miss you. Doing that. I bought this especially to piss him off. So that's gonna be the intro, guys. You'll be seeing like two little intro things. But we've already done the bowling, technically. So, yeah. Today, guys, we're going bowling. So with that said, let's get ready. And today is also probably going to be the last vlog for a while that you'll see my brother in, because he's going into the Navy. So with that said, we're getting straight into this shit. Boom. So we're going right to the bowling alley, and this is going to be starting off a little bit of a vlog action. Some vlog action, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah. But yeah, as I said, we're going bowling. Then, pretty much, I'll have him say his goodbyes to you guys for a while. So today should be a special type of vlog. Special one, because it's his last one for a while. And he's starting a good path. He's going into the Navy. So with that said, we're doing some bowling. And I have him saying his little goodbyes. For now. Not me. I'm still going to be here 24/7 grinding on this shit. As you guys, either if I'm posting this today or tomorrow, or no, later today, which I made that baseball bat video, or you'll be getting this tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to have to start playing some Resident Evil 7 soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that tonight or tomorrow, but with that said, I'll see you guys at the bowling alley. Or maybe in the car, one or the other. Alright guys, we're in the car at 7-Eleven, your local 7-Eleven. We're going to be going bowling, and soon we'll be there. We'll be there like maybe the next video you see. Just wanted to keep you guys updated. I'm just in the car waiting for him. So when he comes back, we're going to pick up one of our friends. And then we're going fucking bowling. And we'll see you guys there. So yeah. Come on, John. I got that on recording too. Good job, bro. Come on, Zach. Zach 0.
You're just gonna go like that. It's gonna be a strike.
This night's already looking good. Now lead it. Yo.
Times 2 plus 30. That's the lead right now. Yeah, right now. How do you do it? Hold on to it. We're not going number one, right?
No, I'm just doing one of each right now. We're recording the whole thing? No. I'm just getting a little bit of a clip.
Really? Yo, we are so out of place. It's crazy. Fucking 5. I say we with 50s.
What are you doing? You didn't end it, did you?
No. Andrew might take the lead. Yes, yes. Andrew's worse than me.
Well, you know what? At least I got some points going on over here.
So do I.
I got 4. Oh, you got 5. So you know what?
Yeah, I'm in the lead.
Just got done doing a little scrimmage. Zach's in first, I'm in second, my brother's in last, so we have to do one more game. So here we go. And you missed.
Yo, this game's worse than the first one. Oh my god.
Watch that form.
Don't record it.
I am.
John almost fucking breaks it.
I know, right?
Boom. Oh, no way. That's lower. That's lower.
I felt lower on it. Yeah, it's definitely lower.
It's sound lower too.
It's sound. Your turn.
I'll get it.
I'll record yours.
It's already recording.
I got lower on this one. Who's on it? He's going now. Did you put 50 cents in? Put 50 cents in.
I don't do this stuff.
That's more than I thought you would get. Where did Zach go? Okay. We beat him.
It's all on you. What do you got to say? Come on, the words. This is going to be your last vlog you're going to be in with me.
Peace.
That's really your last words?
Like and subscribe. John McCarthy. What?
You can do more than that. Come on.
What do you want me to say? You want me to tell him that you like... Oh, wait, no, I'm not allowed to say that.
A face birth control only kitten event. God damn. He is hideous.
I'm the one's girlfriend.
Just zoom in on the facial features. You're a bitch. You couldn't even say no. You couldn't do even one thing in the video for me.
See you guys in like 6 months.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Sorry, his like little how he was talking was short. I don't think he really wanted to do that, but yeah, yeah, I guess I should go in there and shoot him. No, this video ain't over yet. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna shoot him with this for the last time. So see you guys in there.
What now?
Nothing, I just wanted to talk to you for a second. Bitch, lied. I got that on video. Ooh! I just...
Do me one more time. This will be the last day in 2018 you live.
Oh, you hear this, guys? He's even threatening me. But you know what? Don't care. But yeah, right after that kind of got my ass kicked, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in the next gameplay video most likely now, because really don't be doing much after when he's gone. So I'll be still doing stuff, but not like what you see now, because, you know, I don't know, just, it's gonna be rough, but we'll get through it. All together, the Viper fucking Nation. We're gonna be doing shit. We're gonna be doing some things, maybe some more Clinton Road videos in the future. But until then, this will be a farewell to my brother for a little bit. And, yeah, some new stuff is gonna happen. Still have to figure that out, though. That just started 2018, and we're already off the bangers and banger videos. So, yeah, just if you like me shooting my relatives, I'll make some videos on that maybe. With this Nerf gun that I bought for like $10 at Walmart. Do some prank videos. I know I've been wanting to do them. Now that I got these Nerf guns, a Nerf gun, I can actually start doing that. So, with that said, I'll see you guys. In the next one.